Ito, naglalakad po kami sa middle of the night.
Wala pa namang middle.
Oh, may ano tayo dito. Ano ba tayo? Akala ko nung magpasa tayo, para hindi. I thought that we are... Ay, sa truck ba yun? Sa likod ng truck? Dadaanan natin. Kung pwede kayo sa bahay ninyo. Ano nga?
Ay, kanin pa tayo. Ayun, masang ka.
Okay, nakikita ko yun. May likod naman ako. May yung sa camera.
May side mirror.
So, dito na po kami. We are going back at the house. Ay, ang ganda dito. Talagang tahimik. Kaso nga lang ang ano dito, motor. Tsaka yung mga maririnig mo kaagad. Pati we here, ano ulit? Saan tayo?
Batasan.
Batasan. Yun lang ang masasabi namin.
Hindi naman pwede ka naman magsabi.
May bawal naman yung ano dito, yung full address.
Siya ba pala?
So, ganyan tayo. Pagtataas tayo, mataas yung ano. And about the noise, may kumakanta. Hindi, nag-vlog kasi ako.
Pwede ba pag-video?
Oo. Hindi na kami sa house, oh. Room tour na tayo. Hindi, may kwarto pa dito. Ano yung sa taas?
Wala.
Halagyan na
Sa
lang
bahay ko na din yun.
Actually, pwede yun, ano yun, gawin na kwarto yun. So, sige na. So, na to. Sige guys, wait lang, magkapalit na ako. The house is quite really small, but that's fine. Sorry, but that's the people. So now I'm here. It's currently 12:11, and I am outside. And oh my god, my eyelashes is what the hell? It's not pantay. But I'm sorry. Sorry about my people. Don't mind that. But I'm outside. And I am outside and with this person. And we just chismis. Mamaya pa pwede. Tao pa kasi.
Hindi pa pwede.
But anyways, tomorrow it's
Hindi ka bukas?
I don't know. It's 1:38 a.m. It's currently it's a.m. And I'm not asleep yet. You know the reason why? Because sorry if I turn off the flashlight, but I'm gonna turn that off. I cannot, for some reason, I cannot sleep at all, guys. If you're watching this, I cannot sleep. I've been here, kasi nag-e-edit ako. Ine-edit ko na to habang binablog ko, guys, ha. I'm editing this while vlogging. Don't ask me why. Para, like some other creators do this. Kaya the reason why I understand also. I understand why a lot of editors nahihirapan sila. It's because I do realize that editing is hard to do. Which is the reason why some vloggers cannot post their vlog or makita niyo yung vlog. Na matagal silang mag-post due to the editing. Kasi maghirap mag-edit. For real, guys. For real. Editing is hard to do. That's why other creators have a late post due to mahirap siya. So, I'm just letting you know, guys, that I'm gonna try to sleep. I'm gonna end the vlog tonight. I'm going to sleep. I'm trying to go to sleep. If I'm not, I'm just gonna turn this thing on and start talking. But I'm gonna try. So good luck, guys. Let's wait until morning so I can start vlogging again, because I cannot vlog at night. I hate that pimple, by the way, because I keep seeing it in the camera. Wait. Hey, this is me lying down. I still cannot fall asleep somehow. I can't. So, what am I supposed to do? It's just... I'm waiting for my friend actually. But the thing is, my friend is in the other house. I but actually outside is very chill, but inside is kinda mainit. Kasi mainit. But anyway, I don't know which one is the camera kasi nga the back of my phone has 3 cameras, but I don't know which one is the, saan yung, kasi 4 yung camera niya guys, hindi, 3 yung camera, hindi ko alam kung saan yung isa. But anyways, I still cannot fall asleep somehow. I really wanted to wake up. I am going to Pacifical try. Wait a minute. Look how... I didn't even realize... Wait. Is it... I don't know. I'm gonna edit this thing if nagbablurry siya, but... This is how it is. By the way, I cannot... see anything. I cannot see anything because I'm blind. I'm not particularly blind. Di talaga ako bulag, pero... Oh, there's a cat. There's a cat right there. I don't know if you can see it. There's a cat. And that scared me, but look how it saved me. So I'm gonna go back. Guys, I'm gonna go back. Kasi, maganda dito actually. Sorry if I'm, maganda dito guys. It's like kind of, it's also pretty kasi suburban area siya. Kaya maganda. So I'm gonna go back inside kasi nakakatakot din. At the same time, it's scary. That's, no, I was in there. No, my friend. I know. Kasi hindi na tinitignan kayo sa, sa labas. Kasi ang ganda. Doon.
Parang hindi kita yung mukha mo dyan. Baba ko.
Hindi siya kita. Sorry guys ha. If hindi kita. Di gagi, ang ganda doon. Tignan natin. Tignan mo. Kaso nga lang may aso doon. Naiirita ako sa aso dyan.
Maingay kasi siya.
Tara doon na tayo sa kabila. Alam mo ba doon? Hindi mo ako makita. Kasi dito ako dumaan. Hindi ko alam kung nasan yung camera. Nasaan ba yung camera?
Wait lang, hanapin natin.
Ito ba? Yung unahan nga guys. Kasi nag-vlog ako. Hindi ko alam. So,
Kahit dyan na lang tayo tumingin. Bago, anong oras
alam mo,
na?
wala naman na. Hindi naman Tignan mo kasi, Pag pumunta ka doon, actually, tignan mo, may edit ako. May edit ko. Oh.
Ulit.
And there's a noise. Pakinggan natin ang notes. Ano to? Sad boy? Well, I'm gonna open the English. Oh, let's try open it the fuck. Tignan mo kung gaano kaganda guys. I think you cannot see it. Pero tignan mo kung gaano kaganda. If you can see. Nagbablog ng middle of the night. Ang dami pusa. Hindi natin ipulang ilaw. Ay, dito kami
Walang si Kuya.
Tignan nyo guys. But as you can see, there's a lot of pag in real life maganda siya, at the same time hindi ko siya makita. Taas nyo para makita nyo guys.
Camera mo sa likod, Fudge.
Para siyang iPhone actually. Pag pababa dun, alam mo maganda dito, para siyang Bulacan. Yung sa amin. Kuya, ba't ka kasi nagpa-flash? Kuya.
Grabe, si daw mabangga si Kuya, di ba?
Hindi.
Tabi tayo.
O sige tayo, saan tayo?
Doon tayo sa taas.
Tara, dito na tayo dumaan. Currently, it's the morning. Sorry if I did not do vlog. I didn't just woke up. Kanina pa ako talaga, pero I just forgot to do the vlogging. Pero kasi parang kanina pa ako gising. Pero I just forgot. to take a video. Kasi di ba? Parang day in my life ko ganun. And anyway, I'm here outside. Here. Wala akong makeup on. I'm sorry about that. Shit. But anyway. Hinihintay akong person. So, someone, kasi pag-uwi na ako. From sa taga-Commonwealth ako, hindi ako taga-Batangas. But here, I am, taking a vlog. So guys, it's currently super noisy and look, my eyeliner still hasn't got. Baba pa siya, oh my god. I'm trying to find that eyelash curler. I'm gonna do guapo, guys. Don't forget to do guapo. But look how it's insanely bright outside. Wow. Ganda. Oops. The flower is so pretty. So guys, it's in the afternoon and we are outside. And let's see what the difference is between another motorcycle noise again. Kasi alam mo ba't maraming motor na and ito siya, it's so bright. And it's also mainit. Mainit siya, guys. So we are going to walk again. We're gonna walk. Alright. Look how insanely bright kasi nasa labas na tayo. Mas maganda siya pag gabi kasi hindi siya mainit. It's what I'm talking about, guys. You can see. Oh shit. You can see that part. Sorry if that's too much to ganda niya. Look. This is what I'm talking about. You cannot see it at night. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita niyo na. Sorry, kuya. Look. So, this is what I am right now. It's currently hot. Ang init sobra. And anyways, I'm in like this kind of shirt. So, I know. And you're gonna tell me it's hot kasi nakaganda ako. I do understand that. But anyways, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Kasi random lang talaga nga. So, I decided kahapon na mag-vlog. And also, it's middle of the night. Kung nag-vlog ako. Gabi. So, anyways, hindi ko alam kung ipa-follow up itong vlog. But, bye-bye guys. Thank you for watching and, I don't know, maybe you should subscribe if you want or leave a like. I will also leave the comments. Bye-bye everyone. Thank you for watching again. See you next time. Bye-bye.